Hello and welcome to another episode of WebInformant.tv. I'm your host and reviewer David Strom, and today we look at TimeDriver.com, a new free service that allows you to easily invite customers and colleagues to schedule appointments with you. Here we're looking at my virtual office screen, which has a custom URL, and anyone can click on the button to see my schedule and book an appointment. First thing we see is the welcome message that invites us to schedule the meeting. Next we check availability, choose the date and time, enter a phone number where we can be reached, and we review and submit our appointment request. That's all there is to it. We schedule an appointment and without a lot of annoying back and forth phone calls or emails. Let me take you to the service, which is composed of activities, invitations, and appointments. Let's walk through what's involved for each of these items. Activities are events that you invite people to schedule with you. For example, an optometrist might invite people to schedule an eye exam, or a sales rep might invite people to schedule an introductory phone call. Every activity gets its custom URL that you can publish on your website or include in an email. You can have unlimited different activities. We log into our account, see the main dashboard where we can keep track of our activities or create a new one. Once we do, on this screen, you can set a duration for your activity and specify whether it will be in person or over the phone. You can also set up availability windows, which you're willing to accept appointments for meetings. You can compose a custom welcome message that includes a photo or other graphical elements similar to popular web page editors. This can help improve your branding and introduce the scheduling transaction. There are two ways to invite people to schedule an appointment: by sending an email or by posting to a web link that you either put on your own web page or publish in printed materials. Each email invite is a private message, so a group doesn't see all the other invitees. It includes an HTML formatted button that recipients can click on to schedule the appointment and can be customized with a link for each recipient too. Here's the resulting email message that gets sent to the invitee. You have a web-based dashboard that will show you the status of all your requests, including how many people have been confirmed, outstanding invitations, confirmations, and other information. TimeDriver integrates with both Outlook on your desktop and Google's online calendar, so confirmed appointments are automatically entered. There are other connectors in the works too. Outlook users can send appointment invitations directly without having to go to a website. What do I like about the service? TimeDriver automatically handles the differences in time zones between an inviter and invitees when scheduling a phone meeting. However, we did find a bug in Google's calendar that mistakenly had us placed in an Indiana time zone. TimeDriver uses the time zone setting from your PC, so make sure that that's set correctly. I also like the ability to block last-minute appointments less than 2 hours away on the current day and control how far into the future you want to book your time. You can do this both for all of your activities or change it for a specific activity. What didn't I like about the product? It isn't for every scheduling problem, especially for cases where a group of people need to negotiate a time when all of them can attend a meeting. They're better served with either SetMeeting.com's Meeting Agent or TimeBridge.com or others that are free services. Finally, if you use the Outlook connector, you might run into problems if you aren't online a lot and need to book appointments when you're offline. When you reconnect, you might have to resolve any conflicts in your schedule, although TimeDriver will walk you through it. Thanks for watching WebInformant.tv. This is David Strom. Feel free to send me comments at david@strom.com.